Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going live to XRP. Once again, thank you for your support. Okay, big the CoinsKid crew. So XRP may have actually bottomed yesterday, and this is an outlook that I've posted in the Discord right here for the CoinsKid crew yesterday afternoon. There are two God candle back tests on the XRP red lines. Need I say more? So yesterday was a little post that I made. Really simple. Zoom in on the macro time frames. For example, the hour just there. What we've got is this double top drop. You see this support just there. It's called a God candle backtest. Whenever you see this in the charts, move to the left or right, whatever, on the way up. For example, you've got your ascending triangle just there. Resistance, high level support, compression led to expansion. You broke out. What you've never done is backtest that level of resistance just there, support. And that's exactly where XRP has found support yesterday in a potential ABC zigzag. So going forward, there's no bias. We need to see a little bit more structure to confirm the bottom. But yesterday, we did put some bids in there. I did relay it and have a post to the CoinsKid crew. Bids filled, and a lot of people are doing really well on that particular position right there. So basically, just there, God candle back test, loose support. Whenever it starts to come back down like that, I see them in the charts. I'm buying basically because I know that eventually we come back up into this, and that's exactly what we've done. We've done another little drop here, and boom, we've bolted into this level of resistance right there. We're toying with resistance, trying to carve out some kind of structural bottom for XRP at the moment. So I'll go through with you in the charts what I'm looking at, but I did do an updated post just there in the yesterday, and I tagged everybody. Basically, when I'm tagging everyone like that, everyone that's in the Discord gets a notification in real time on the phone or desktop or whatever, or an email. They get a notification. ABC 1.618 spot bids here. Wish me luck. What we've got to accompany this particular metric, and buying opportunity was the simple metric that I created for yourselves, an inverse correlation. Whenever we see BTC pushing to that 30 zone and USD above 70, crypto's a buy, and this is what we rely on. We rely on the data, and it really was a buy yesterday. We've seen some beautiful moves up in especially XRP, and again, this is a simple A, B, C zigzag at the moment anyway to the 1.618, around about $1.91. Got some bids filled, and look at that coming back up the stairs right now. So let me dive into the XRP chart going forward to see what we need to see to confirm the bottom basically. So look at XRP on the hourly time frame at the moment. We've got this beautiful price compression just there. Look at that, the ascending triangle, boom, God candle, and we're bolted. Look at that, absolutely bolted. Possibly a three wave A wave, three wave B wave, and right now you've got five waves in C. Look at this, 1, 2, big waterfall 3, which lost its support, come back up in a 4, and a final fifth wave down, and you've seen a lovely reaction so far off this buyback zone on a 1.618, and equally this ascending triangle, the God candle back test, which I've taught you many times over the years basically. Look at that, beautiful. So we've seen a nice reaction, I think, from that buy zone right now. Look at that, off the 1618, currently up roughly 23%. Now a lot of people have been posting the trades and making a lot of money. For example, I'll just show you this one quickly that I did post on Twitter, and this is why I do stress to you, as I see things in real time, this is why you do need to get your ass in the Discord right there. Let me show you this setup that this guy jumped into. Okay, so Pudi, he's a Discord member. Yesterday 8:37 p.m. in the Discord right there, he did post CoinsKid baller play. Again, this is why I say to you, if I spot things in setups and buybacks and resistance and shorts and longs and things like that, they're easier for me to get out in the Discord post in real time, because obviously the price action is always changing and maturing, for us to jump into these trades and opportunities. So definitely get involved in the Discord right there. So like I said, why you're not involved in our Discord, caught a bid yesterday on XRP. So Pudi's doing really well off that little buyback zone, and again, it comes up and it starts to roll over or whatever, you can jump out and he's made some money. And this is basically intraday trading, with the CoinsKid crew. This is what we do, so let me dive into the XRP chart right now to show you what we need to see going forward for XRP to confirm that this is the bottom. Okay, so looking at XRP on the daily time frame, I'll zoom in on the micro in a minute, but so far so good. We've got this beautiful little drawdown on XRP, possibly complete right there, which would be absolutely amazing, and we nailed the buyback in the CoinsKid crew Discord right there, amazing. So basically an ABC. I'll zoom in on the micro in a moment. I think I've already shown you earlier in the video, but we may have the qualification of it as a simple zigzag 1.618 Fibonacci extension right there. So this was some kind of expanded flat, and like I've taught you in corrections and impulses, you do typically see a 1, a 2, a 3 and a 4 and a 5, okay, as an impulse. And right now possibly a 1 into an expanded flat 2, a 3 into a zigzag 4, and in completion 5. So we may be gearing up for a break here of the all-time high right on cue, like I said to you in many videos, in that big God candle as well, on the Marubozu candle right there on the monthly time frame. If this correction's out the way, then we could be attacking the all-time highs over the next few weeks leading to the new year, which would be absolutely amazing. So typically what we do see in the wave 2, if you have a zigzag, you'll have a flat correction in 4, or if you have some kind of flat correction in 2, you'll have a zigzag in 4, and that's exactly what we've got. I think that's the top, that's the A, that's the B, which was an expanded flat because it made a higher high, and this is you see. So this is some kind of flat wave 2, and this is a zigzag wave 4. So at the moment, okay, obviously if we look at the time, so this time was a very long time to complete wave 2, and if this is complete within a week, that's amazing. But right now I just have to respect something, and it is really simple. It's basically from peak to trough, from this peak here to the bottom, which is roughly 34%. So if we go from this peak to trough for XRP down to the bottom, again 34%. So there's a little bit of similarity between the sort of drawdown in wave 2 and currently the drawdown in wave 4. So it could be one of the confluencing factors to say, okay, that was the bottom of the correction right there, which would be absolutely amazing. But going forward, what we need to see from this point right now, if it is the bottom, your lows, your stops should be on that wick that we put in yesterday, okay, to increase probability that that is your bottom. That's your invalidation of that bottom right there. So from here right now, we just need to go sideways, create kind of reversal pattern, ascending triangle, just like we did at this bottom, ascending triangle, back test. It's going to get quite squeaky bum time, and then boom, we get a big, explosive move right there. We'll come up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. So we should be looking at this, some kind of 1 into a 2, into a 3, into a 4, into a 5. That's your 5-wave move up, and from this bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tag the $4 at a minimal before a bigger macro correction comes back for continuation. That's my primary expectation at the moment. So again, I'll keep you updated as best I can. If I see anything change or real-time updates or anything like that, it's just easier for me to get them in the Discord right now. But so far so good. It is playing out as expected. We would run into that high as expected. We wouldn't necessarily break through it and melt through it as expected. We're coming back for support as expected. We're holding the structural ABC right on cue. I wish I hadn't most luck, but over the next few weeks leading to the year here, we could be looking at all-time highs for XRP, providing right now it holds this structural bottom in a simple ABC zigzag correction, which is really simple. It's alternation, expanded flat, zigzag, which is what we look at many times in many different charts. So we should most look, but going forward, this would be your stop loss going forward, that pivot low that we put in yesterday. But it might get a little bit squeaky bum time over the next few days here. You come up like this and you trace and do, carve out some kind of structural bottom like you did there. And again, I'll just be patient, wait for that, and I'll keep you updated as best I can, where we can apply some beautiful long positions and spot bids, obviously with a stop loss on that pivot low that we put in yesterday. I wish you the most luck going forward, okay? Stay healthy, stay tuned. Get your ass in the Discord, because obviously things change and price develops and things like that. So stay involved in the Discord right there for the real-time updates. Hope you enjoyed the update. Stay healthy, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on XRP. Bye-bye.